Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to my new house. Brent and I just bought this place literally like 9 days ago, and we've been doing some work inside. We actually haven't moved in yet. We move in this Saturday, but I want you guys to come on in and see. So obviously we've got this gorgeous front deck that is actually really roomy. We definitely could put like an eating spot and maybe a couple chairs and like stuff up here. But what I love, one things that was like really sold us on this house is this amazing front yard. There's like a tiny little creek that runs through here. There's actually a deer trail that runs through here, so we see deer like all the time. And so we saw like baby bunnies living under a van that's parked down the street, which is freaking cute. Tons of gorgeous trees. And it's just so peaceful and quiet out here, y'all. Like for real, it's so nice. So anyways, then we come inside, and I apologize for the echo. And we have the main living space. What?
I can't see you at all.
Lighting.
Now I can.
There we go. So obviously this is the main living space. We've got some kind of shoddy bookends that the previous owner put in. But you know, I gotta commend him because I'm pretty sure he did this all from like scrap wood that he found, which is kind of cool. So obviously we're mounting a TV here. We've got a real fireplace now, which is like something I've wanted for so long. To like have a mantle to decorate for Halloween and just like have like a cozy fireside situation in the autumn. And then that leads to our back deck, which is gonna be the party deck. Got plenty of space for parties, the Halloween party, eating, living, dining al fresco. There's al fresco, right? Yeah. And then right adjacent to the living room, we've got the kitchen. All the doors are currently open because we just had a cleaner finish up in here and making it all fresh and clean for us to move into, which was super nice. So yeah, tons of storage as you can see, which is nice. Not a new fridge, but new fridge to me. And we finally have a gas stove, which is something I'm so hyped about because I'm just weird and I hate electric stoves like with an actual vengeance. And I'm so excited to have a gas cooktop now. Nice big sink. We've got a lovely, freshly also cleaned pantry in here. We currently have a makeshift pantry, so having a real pantry to put my food in is like, I don't know, I feel like a queen. And then right next to that, we've got a washer and dryer situation. And this was actually left by the buyer. So now between ours, the one that was left, and Zoe's, we'll have 3 washer and dryer sets in this house, which is so funny. But it actually worked out great because there's a stackable washer and dryer. Well, I'll show you in a second, maybe. Anyways, so this is kind of like the dining room, but it's really more like a breakfast nook size. Like once you have like a 4, maybe 6 person table in here, it's not like a ton of room. But I do really like it. One thing that I do want to do eventually is I do want to completely redo the kitchen, and I really want to take out these so that you can just see straight into the woods from the kitchen, but money. Alright, oh, one other feature that I love is I love that we have these, not skylights, but these like higher up windows. They desperately need to be cleaned from the inside and outside so they actually let more light in because they're so dirty. It's like literally like affecting the light in the room. It's crazy. So then we have kind of the bedroom wing of the house. This will be Brendan and I's office. Man, it is so echoey in here. This is gonna be Brendan and I's shared office. So we're gonna do like desk situation. There's a walk-in closet in here, which is perfect because it'll be tons of storage. Every single room has a walk-in closet, which is so nice. Ooh.
What?
Just the flooring around the edges. It's not great. That's one thing that's like funny about buying a house is like you're excited and everything to move in. But as you like get used to the house, you notice all the things that are like not quite right. But it's fine because I want to do house projects, so it's totally fine. Then we've got the guest bathroom. Nope, don't want to thought that would be it. We've got the guest bathroom. Again, I would love to redo this. Vanity's not bad, but like This is not placed on here properly, as you can see. And I'm just really picky. That's just my own problem. And I definitely want to do like a tiled shower instead of like an all-in-one situation. So we're gonna have fun like making over different sections of this house, I think. Linen closet, which is super handy. And then this is going to be the guest room slash my like ear making space. Which it's funny because the last time I came in here, I was like, this room is actually smaller than I think. Like, once a queen bed is in here, there's not gonna be a whole lot of other room. So I'm gonna have to do some really fancy interior design work to figure this out. And again, walk-in closet, which is so freaking nice. Tons of room for me to store stuff that I don't need. Okay. Now,
The pista resistance.
this is the master bedroom. So as you can see, we're working on some projects in here. Every time I inhale, I can feel the dust.
Oh, there's literally, look at the fan as it goes in a circle. You can see it.
The first time I turned it on after they'd done this, I just didn't think about it. I just sprayed me. Anyways, yeah, so we're installing new baseboards and new trim and doing a paint job in here. Eventually we'll be replacing the doors and the handles and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, one of the things I love about this master bedroom though is that it has a private deck, which is very small, but
It's not that small.
it's perfect to put like a big cozy chair, sorry.
No, you're
it's
fine.
like perfect to put like a big cozy chair and a side table and maybe like a bistro set and have like morning coffees out here, especially when it's fall and all the leaves are orange. Like it's gonna be so nice. Oh, it's so nice. Okay. All right. Then obviously we've also got a master bath, which very nice sized master walk-in shower, which I'm feeling very excited about because my shower is so small. And I also love that it has a door and not a curtain. Like, that's so nice. And then a nice big double sink vanity, which is great. Tons of storage in here. So again, this is a room that I also will probably eventually redo when money allows for it. I just want to go ham and I want to completely customize this like entire house, but time and money. So this one's gonna be waiting because it's beautiful. I will say it's not my taste. So every woman is all ladies. All right, so next, you thought that was the whole house? Oh, yeah, you gotta see the master closet. Come on now, what was I thinking? This is why she's my camera woman. Guys, this is like 3 of the closets I have now, and the echo in here is psycho. Holy crap.
The ceilings are way taller than I realized too.
Yeah, it's not bad.
You could add a whole other layer of shelving around it.
Oh, 100%.
I mean, you should do like the ones you were talking about, but still.
Yeah. No, I definitely have like big goals for this closet. I want to do like a shoe wall up the back and like, I got plans.
Dreams. I got a dream. I got some dreams.
So then, if we're back to if we're back to the front door, we go down the stairs here and into the garage, which is honestly another big reason we like this house is because the garage is freaking massive. Like, if it didn't have the poles in the center, you could probably fit 3 cars in here. So this side is going to be our home gym side. We're gonna put all of our, my water heater is talking shit. We're gonna put the oh my God, Holly, think. There's so many spiders up there. We're going to put the gym on this side, and then this side is going to be storage slash like I plan, because my big thing with this house is that I really wanted to like teach myself how to do home projects and do a lot of it myself. So it's also probably gonna serve as kind of like my work area when I'm doing that. My biggest goal is that I want to get good enough where I feel confident doing most of the kitchen renovation myself. But like, I need to get my feet soaking wet before I feel confident doing that. But that's the goal.
Luckily we have friends in construction,
Yes.
so.
And parents. Okay. This is like the extra bonus surprise of the house. There's a whole freaking huge basement with a separate entrance for Miss Zoe.
Woo!
So Zoe's going to have her own little like studio pad down here. So this is like obviously underneath the house. There is a bathroom down here, which we're gonna expand to be a full bath because right now it is just a simple half, girl. There's also a hookup for a kitchenette to go down here, which is really cool. And I just literally ripped out, there was like some counters right here, but literally today we ripped it out because we're going to make this like Zoe's closet space. And then there's also like a Harry Potter style under the stairs closet in here for more storage, which is super nice. And then obviously a room section sort of over here, which I think is gonna serve as her bedroom sort of area. Testing out paint colors, as you can see. I love this ledge actually. Like I just think this is like a good feature, and like I love that like you can like display it / use it as storage. Like I just think it's nice. But what's super cool about all of it is that she has her own entrance with like a little kind of mini deck situation as well. And so she also has a gorgeous view of the front yard. Obviously the deck that goes into the front door is above here. But like, this is so peaceful and comfy. And then like, that goes out there into the driveway. So yeah, that's my house, man. We are so excited to move in for real, you guys. Like we literally do it in 2 days and I could not be more ecstatic.
Pull it towards you. Yeah, and then it goes.
I am pulling it towards me.
Yeah. She's a little angry.
Okay, yeah. Once again, you move into a new house and you find all of its little quirks that you gotta fix. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, hit that subscribe button down below. I'm going to be doing obviously tons of home renovation, decoration, all that sort of stuff after Halloween content. So all through September, October, nothing but Halloween, but we'll be in this house. And then once like November 1st hits, if you like home content, that's what you're gonna be getting probably for like a while on this channel with other stuff mixed in. So I hope you guys like that. Make sure you subscribe if you do, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Oh wait, I'll leave my socials and Zoe's socials and our podcast socials in the description. Okay, now bye.
Go subscribe.